You know what it is, every week on this channel you're gonna have a new video. It's all about tip and trick, how to do some home renovation or wood project, whatever it can be. On this channel you're gonna have a video, and I promise right now we make our video in bilingual, so French and English. Parlez français, vous aurez aussi la chance d'avoir ces vidéos en français, et cliquez sur la vidéo jusqu'à la fin, vous aurez la chance de voir ça en français. So if you're new on this platform, consider to subscribe right now, because every week I want you to visualize some new video I'm gonna post again. So let's do it together. Alright, so pocket jig is one of the best tools you can have when it's about incline hole. So I got a Minecraft, as you can see here. It's a 1325 Minecraft pocket jig. It's come with a single and a double. So the only problem I have with it, I hate using the clamp, as you can see in the picture here. I prefer something with the clamp already installed in it. You know, especially when you use it for the double one, it's really difficult to use. So I would like to have something like this one, you know, those including clamp. So you make life easy, you know. You can see how the wood stick on it, and then like that, it's pretty nice. I prefer something like that. So to do that, I went to the Home Depot or any store you can go. Get a sleek clamp. It's a 5-inch, the one I'm using, but you can use any different one, depend to the size you want to make it. So I'm gonna create something really easy, and you can see that changed my life by using the pocket jig now. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where to pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. feels young. You're as blue as the open sky. All these blues I can run. I was really hoping for. Why would you not? I don't together like we can. Say so bad that I'm as blue as the ocean. You're as blue as the open sky. All these blues I can run. I was really hoping for. Why would you not? I don't together like we can. Say so bad that
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love that.
So as you guys can see, it's really simple, very easy and beautiful. So thanks for watching. It's a pleasure to be with you again today. So if you guys want to do the same thing, you're gonna check in the description below. You're gonna see all the detail, what size and how you can create something similar. So again, if you're new, consider to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next comment video. Thanks for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.